This is a 3-line joining of ashoke and my measurement is 50-50. I pleated 4-line pleat as my first base. Look at what I'm doing. I'm using my hand to arrange my pleats properly. The beauty of your gele is how you arrange your pleats, because this is like a foundation of anything you want to start doing. So all I'm doing is my one hand is holding the gele at my back while I arrange my front. So now I make a twist, one side come to the other side, and then I use the one coming from my right hand side to place it on my head to form a V shape. Look at it, to form my V shape. So I'm telling you that one of my hand is pressing down, my middle finger is pressing that place down. Look at it, and then I'm using my hand to bring my gele forward. Then I'm dragging, making everything to look very tight. So all of my hands here are working. So I have 4-line pleating here. I also have 4-line pleating here, but we are going to pleat everything because of the style I am creating here. So here you have to be conscious of your V. If your V come this way, it's not correct, but once it's like this, then your V is correct. That is what I'm trying to explain. And then I go forward to arrange my pleats gradually, making everything beautiful, using my office pin to secure that place properly. So all I'm doing here right now is to arrange. So now I'm going to start bringing forward the remaining pleats from my right hand side. So look at what I'm doing. I am bringing my pleats forward, aligning them, placing them on top of each other. They have to be on top of themselves. So I'm making sure that all my pleats is aligning very well, placing them on top of themselves. Look at what I'm doing. I'm trying to bring all of the pleats down. Then I started folding them down one by one. So this is the final pleat. So look at what I'm doing, just to make sure everything is aligning on top of themselves. Make sure they are all lying on top of themselves. Then I came back here to align my pleat. So look at what I'm doing. So whatever I'm doing, one hand is helping me to support it, pressing it down, and the other one helping me to hold it down. So here I'll be pinning this place down because I want to push the gele up a little bit so that it will have a little bit of height. Look at it. So I push a little bit, and then I take the remaining plate and also make a push to it. Look at it. So I'm done. So I'll be removing this office pin here so that I can be able to make a twist. So after I remove, look at how I twisted that place. I use another office pin to secure this place down so that it doesn't pull out. So that is what I'm doing here. I pin like 3 places just to make that place to look very okay before bringing the other hand forward. So I'm done plating. I'm done putting my pins. I'm just arranging this place, and then I'll take this longer hand again up, and at the first place I'm going to be using my office pin to pin that place down, and then I start bringing forward my plate from this side. So watch what I'm doing. You'll be able to know how I was able to achieve this side. So I'm plating my plate gradually. As I plate, you watch my hand. One hand is holding and the other one is assisting. So after I make like how many lines plate, I use my office pin to secure it. Still going forward to bring more plates to be able to cover up for this space. So look at what I'm doing. Then I'll pin again. All the pinning is just to secure my plate so that they are very aligned, like they are aligned on each other. So that is what I'm doing here. I'm using my office pin to tag the other ones at the back so that they stop falling out. And I proceed to continue forming my plate. So that is what I'm doing here. Look at it. After forming my plate, then I take my hands up to start aligning this place all through. Look at it. So I'm bringing out the plate just for them to be on top of each other so that it will be nice. Then I use my office pin again to tag the remaining hand at my back Whenever you are doing this, your hand will be able to show you where and where to put your office pin. You just have to be careful not to break your head. So look at what I'm doing. I remove the office pin so that I can be able to align this place very well. So I'll be using my rubber band. See, my rubber band to hold this place down because of the style that I wanted to start creating. So look at it. I'm using my rubber band to tie this place down. Then I keep arranging. Whenever I do anything, I'll come back and arrange and watch and see if it still to suit my face. So in case you're tying this hair gel, just watch your face and see if it's giving you what you really want. If it's fitting your face, it's making you look beautiful, then please continue tying your hair gel. And then look at what I'm using this remaining hand to form. Remember how we achieve this thing, how we achieve the hand. I use my rubber band to hold, and then I start arranging this place. So anything I'm doing here is just to secure, using my office pin to secure it down, arranging. So look at how gorgeous and beautiful our hair came out. It's so beautiful, and it's very easy to tie. If you practice it once, the second time it will be perfect. So that rubber band is showing. I don't want it to be showing. I decided to cover it up using my office pin to grab and cover. So look at how beautiful this setup came out. And this is the back of my gele. I bend down so you can be able to see what I'm doing. I'm using my office pin to secure it properly. So look at how gorgeous this headwrap came out. It's so beautiful. I love this style. Why? Because it's looking very unconventional. It's looking trending. It's looking just amazing. You can try this header for church, for any event. So this place has a little bit of opening. What I'm using here is a longer office pin that has colors on their head. So after applying, I was like, no, I think that one is so small. I said, can I use brooch? Can I use this thing? In case you have any brooch and you put and it suits your face, go ahead. Hope to see you try this style. Please share this video so that others can see. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.